Good evening and welcome to another Volvo video. This 2003 Volvo XC90, and in this video I'll be replacing the number plate lights. So I don't know how well you can see this one. These number plate lights, although they're working all right, yeah, they've clearly seen better days. I don't know whether you can see this, and I can show them working. So, oops, I just turn headlights on. Yeah, I've had to start the engine. Oh, that was working before, but obviously that's intermittent. Let's have a look. Yeah, not working. That's an intermittent problem. So what I need to do is change these out. So I jumped on eBay and I ordered a set of rear number plate light units. So just get the bag opened up, and these are supposed to be canvas ones, so we shouldn't have any problems with any canvas error codes. These are actually LED units. These looks like these come with load resistors as well. So there you go. That's the LED unit to replace the original one. I think there's a canvas resistor, so it shouldn't cause any canvas error. So just plug that in into them both, and once that's done we can get these fitted. So to fit these out, it's just held on by a Torx T25 Torx screw, so just unscrew it. I'm not sure how these come out. I should have brought a trim tool or something, but these have definitely seen better days. So it should just prise out. So yeah, it just prizes out. There we go, drops out just like that. This just twists off. There's a connector somewhere. Let's have a look. Not sure how this works. Yeah, oh yeah, it just plugs into the bulb holder. Really is that simple. So you just pull the bulb holder out, pull the bulb out. So I'm not sure which wire is which. It's quite critical on LEDs, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to start the engine, see which way it goes. That's all. Yeah, got it right first time, so that will lucky. So just stuff this resistor and stuff all this wiring in, then just stuff all that in there, push this in and then tighten it up, put the screw back on, I don't have to go mad with it, and there we go. It's really as simple as that. So I'm going to do the other one off camera, and then I'll show you. Well, you've got a comparison between the incandescent bulb and the LED bulb, well, the LED unit. Before anyone says, yeah, these are actually legal. You are legally allowed to swap out the entire unit. You only run into trouble if you just change the bulb for an LED one. That is technically illegal, although it wouldn't fail an MOT. But if you change a light unit, you are still within the law. So that's the finished job. It's definitely a lot better. What I'll do is I'll close the tailgate. I'll move you down. It's a bit hard to see in daylight, but I'll just move the camera down on this tripod. In fact, I might have to move you a bit further down, but even in the daylight you can see it's a much better, more modern look. So a bit of an upgrade, and staying legal as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.